Hi, my name is Paulo and I welcome you again to my YouTube channel, the ODE. Today I'm going to open a package that I received, and this is a package that took a very long time, as I think it is what it is inside, but we'll check that. It comes from Taiwan, and let's pick my Victorinox solo knife and take a look at what is inside, and then I will tell you if it's that package I'm thinking of or not. If it is, it has Kaweco inside. But sometimes when we have many packages coming, we don't really know which one is the case. So it comes in an interesting box, like a book. Let's cut this tape. Oops. And this side also. And here. What is still missing? Okay, it is open, and yes, that's what I was thinking. So, let's put this away. Nice box. I have to say that this is a package that is on its way to me since February of 2020. It took almost a year to arrive. And this is an order that I made just before the COVID-19, and then they could not ship to Portugal, and they shipped it only very late. But the store did had some conversations with me, and I was informed of all the process. So only much later they could do it. Then the pen came only now. And it was, I received a couple of days ago. That was very fast. Some taxes that I had to pay for the costume, so a long process. I think this is the pen that took the most time to arrive to me. But it's not one pen, it's 3 pens. So let's take a look. Why did I buy 3 pens? Because I'm a little crazy about Kaweco, and because there were 2 editions that I really would like to have. And so, here they are. They are 3 pens of the same kind, and they have just different, slight differences. And here you can see. Let me put them in this order, and let's hope all is correct inside. I've seen some people that bought these and they came mixed. So we have 3 pens. These are 3 grey Kaweco pens: the Pebble, the Granite or Granite, and Cement. Now let's see, and let's open first the Pebble. And the Pebble is the more on the light grey. It is a Skyline Sport, which means it has chrome trim and a steel nib in original color. So this is the Pebble. Now let's go to the Granite, which should be a little darker, and yes, it is, just a little bit. And then I think this is fun to have like a grayscale. And the last one, the Cement, let's hope it's correct. Strange. This is really strange, because I thought the Cement was the... Maybe they are mixed in in the package. I'll have to check that. It was a long time ago. I would say that the cement was the darker or the darkest, then the granite, and then the pebbles. So here I have 3, at least they are all different, so I'm okay with that. So we have here 3 Kaweco Skyline Sports, 3 grey ones to my collection. There are still 4 Kaweco on their way to me right now, so have to wait a little bit to have them all. Then let me just show some comparison with other grey Kaweco Sports that I have. One is not grey, it is the black, so it is on the end of this range, and the other one is the white, old Skyline Sport. So if we put them all together, you can see better the difference, and I find this so nice to look at. And besides these, I have also the Kaweco Art Sport Granite, which was this is from the second edition of the Art Sport, and I would say it will fit around here in terms of shade of grey. And then we have the Skyline Sport Grey, which is the current grey that you can find on the regular edition, and we put it here. It is the darkest of them all. So this is interesting. I think this one is the most different in this grayscale, so I'll put it there on top. But I think you have here a very nice evolution of color. I'm quite pleased with this one, with these 3, not this one, they are 3 pens, and I'm really excited to put them in my collection. I think I'll need to expand my collection to another case, another pen case, because my Kaweco collection is growing a lot, as always. So this is what I had to show you today. A long time, almost 1 year to reach me, but now I have these 3 grey pens. I will leave a link below if you want to get this pen. And this is all I had to show you. I hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be back soon for more pen videos. Bye!